Hello, and welcome to the Stitch the Season online workshop. Today is prompt 5, where we're creating a fabric book, and every other day I release prompts or instructions for creating this book. Today's prompt is numeric. Numbers are a fun way to incorporate in your work. Maybe you have a birthday this month, or somebody you love does. Or maybe there's something special about one of the numbers of the days of the month. Or you can just use 25, the day of Christmas. Let me show you what I did.
For our fourth page, which the pages will be here with the collection here, this is the fourth page. It's numeric. And there's lots of numbers you can use. I'm going to use 25 for Christmas, after all. I think I'm going to use a piece of lace here somewhere in the background, so I'll cut that down to size. And this, I love this trim. I'm not sure if it'll go the full length of the page, or maybe I'll have the lace come from the bottom and this from the top. But with this, I want to make my numbers. So this fabric, I love the width. And now I want both numbers to fit here. So I'm going to just eyeball half of it or so. Create the 5. And then the 2. And now I'll cut out those numbers. So now I'll play around with that. I have my numbers here, my little trim, and I'll stitch those down. Then maybe come back and add a little bit of stitching just for embellishment. So here's everything stitched down. Now I want to add some stitches just around this piece, just to make it look a little more interesting and, personal. And so there I have a little more stitching for my final page from this little page booklet here. Oh, I love that. Sweet little heart and just some interesting stitches.
I love using text and numbers in my work, and so using numbers in today's prompt was very enjoyable for me. I can't wait to see what you create in our Facebook group, so please be sure to post a photo of your work. And thank you for joining me today.